Hopefully you already know this, but the headline is going to be one of the most important elements of your news post. It needs to grab the reader's attention, but also tell them exactly what your post is about. Okay, so here I've got a listicle article, 8 facts about Bournemouth. So I'm going to add a headline. So to add your headline, you go to this add title field at the top of your post and you type in your headline. Okay, so along with thinking about, is our headline interesting, does it grab the reader's attention, and does it give them necessary facts about the article, there are a few other things we need to consider. So the first thing we're going to consider is the length. So on different websites, headlines will have specific lengths they need to adhere to. On Buzz, the length of a headline needs to be no longer than 70 characters. Okay, so unfortunately on Buzz, there's no character counter underneath the headline. So we don't know how long this headline is unless we go through and count every character. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to find a character counter. And I'm going to paste my text in and click on count characters. So we can see here, this headline is 69 characters long, which is obviously just under my 70 character limit. So in terms of length, it's totally fine. Okay, second thing we're going to think about is the capitalization of the words in the title. There are two different styles when it comes to writing headlines in terms of capitalization. You have title case and you have sentence case. So if this was going to be a title case headline, we would go through and capitalize pretty much every word. But on Buzz, we work to a sentence case styling. So a sentence case styling is you write the headline exactly as you would a sentence. So the only words we'd capitalise in our headline is the first word and any proper nouns that appear. So we'd capitalise the from, Batman as that's a name, the Beatles, and then interesting facts about, those can all be lowercase. Okay, so make sure your headline is sentence case. Okay, once you've got your headline in and you're happy with it, we're going to click on save. Okay, so that headline is now saved with your article. You can always go back and change it. But the second thing I want to concentrate on here is your permalink underneath. So you should be able to see the moment you put in your headline and you click save, your permalink now takes on your headline. So your permalink is just the URL where your post is going to appear on Buzz. So it's always buzz.bournemouth.ac.uk/the date/the headline. But we can see at the moment our permalink is pretty long. It's got these 3 dots in there, which shows you it's currently being truncated. So what I'm going to do is I want to make this permalink a bit shorter, a bit catchier. So I'm going to click on the edit button and I'm going to take out the from Batman to the Beatles bit, and we're just going to have 8 facts about Bournemouth. Okay, hopefully that'll be short enough to fit in now. Okay, no 3 dots, it's not truncated anymore. Okay, so we've added our headline, we've clicked on save, we've edited our permalink. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to our homepage title. So what you'll find nowadays is that on a lot of news websites, there are 2 different headlines for an article. Okay, there's one headline when you click into the post that sits on top of the post. That's your kind of post headline. But there's also a homepage title, a kind of shorter version of that post title that only appears on the homepage. You can see this if you go to the BBC website, you can see it if you go to the Guardian website. So this is something we also do on Buzz. With the main headline for your post, you've got a 70 character limit. For the homepage title, we want you to keep that down to 50 characters. Okay, so here we have our 69 character headline. If I copy that and go down to my homepage title, paste it in, I already know that's going to be too long. But for my homepage title, I can probably drop this first section from Batman to the Beatles. So I can just have 8 interesting facts about Bournemouth. I'm going to check that in my character counter just in case it is too long. I'm pretty sure it isn't, but I'm just going to check just in case. Okay, 41 characters. So we can see again, that's under the 50 character limit. Okay, so I've added my post headline. I've edited my permalink to make sure it's short enough. And I've added a homepage title. Once you've done this, you can click on save.